going to have a competition, a very young authors competition. If you are a very young person and you like to make stories, this competition is for you. If you've never made a story before and you want to know how to do it, watch my new video, How to Make a Book, where I'll explain everything. To join the competition, all you need to do is make a story, illustrate it and send it to my publishing house, British Hours Publishing, by the 5th of March. I'll read all the stories that you send to me and see which ones I like. The winners will be published by British Hours Publishing. Or do you like your story to be published? I can't wait to see what you send to me. All the details for the Very Young Authors competition are on my website. See the link below. And make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram or X for updates, events and other exciting news. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And please share this very exciting news with all your friends and family.